Hello dear students, once again welcome back to our channel. In this video we are continuing MCQ questions from chapter 8 Introduction to Trigonometry. We already have solved some problems from this lesson. This is actually part 2 of Introduction to Trigonometry. Let us move to the first question. If cos raised to 4 theta minus sin raised to 4 theta equal to 2 by 3. Okay, then 1 minus 2 sin square theta is. We have 4 options. Okay, so what is given till if means that we have given that cos raised to 4 theta minus sin raised to 4 theta equal to 2 by 3. Okay, from this we have to reach into this question, that this form, that is what will be 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, for that we can take this as given, that is cos raised to 4 theta. So we can write, see, cos raised to 4 theta is in the, if we apply this in law of index, that is a raised to m whole raised to n, a raised to mn. Okay, that means instead of cos raised to 4 theta, you have to substitute this as cos square theta whole square. See, as a raised to m whole raised to n. Okay, that means this will be a raised to m and 2 into 2, 4, that is cos raised to 4 theta. Okay, that means we have now an equivalent expression of cos raised to 4 theta as cos square theta whole square. See children, cos square theta whole square, okay, this is equal to cos theta square whole square. Understood? That means that square we are taking only for cos. Understood? So we can take this cos square theta whole square for cos raised to 4 theta. In the same way, sin raised to 4 theta, that means sin square theta whole square, that is equal to, if we apply this identity, that means this law, that is a raised to mn. Okay, that means a raised to m whole raised to n. Okay, so this can be substituted as sin raised to sin square theta whole square. Okay, and what is that in the RHS? 2 by 3. So now we have cos square theta whole square minus sin square theta whole square. That means we have two terms in their power 2. That means we have an identity a square minus b square, a square minus b square. Okay, two terms, different terms. Okay, their power is 2 and they are connected by minus. So that means we can now apply the identity a square minus b square as a plus b into a minus b. Here in place of a, see the power of a 2 and its base is a. So children, here the power is 2 and its base is cos square theta. That means this is a and this is b. Okay, that is a plus b. So cos square theta plus, because of the identity, plus, so sin square theta is b. So a plus b sin square theta into, what is the second factor? A minus b. A is here cos square theta minus, here minus sin square theta, and that can be equated to 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3 is given. That means we are substituting for these two terms in the LHS by keeping RHS as 2 by 3. Okay. Yes, children, what is cos square theta plus sin square theta by identity 1? That is 1. Okay, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this factor is now reduced into 1. 1 into cos square minus sin square theta. Okay, that means cos square minus sin square theta you can equate as cos square theta. We will have only this factor, and because of the identity 1, that is replaced with 1. Okay, so cos square theta minus sin square theta equal to 2 by 3. After simplification of this LHS, we got cos square theta minus sin square theta. But what is asked, children? 1 minus 2 sin square theta. We need 2 sin square theta and we don't want cos square theta. But we have, after simplification, we have cos square theta. How this cos square theta can be eliminated? With the sin square theta, because of the first identity. Okay, see children, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Understood? So from here cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, so I am going to substitute cos square as 1 minus sin square theta in this side, that is LHS. That is, instead of cos square theta, 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, and here one more sin square theta minus sin square theta equal to 2 by 3. See children, minus sin square theta minus sin square theta. That means minus 2 sin square theta minus 1 is minus 2. Okay, so 1 minus 2 sin square theta is 2 by 3. That is the correct answer. I see the options. 3 by 2, 2 by 3 is there. That is option B. Okay, option B is the correct answer. Just I apply the identity a square minus b square. Okay, and apply this a square plus sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, so that you can easily calculate 1 minus 2 sin square is also equal to 2 by 3. Understood? Now we are moving to the second question of almost this type. So sec square theta plus tan square theta is given as 7 by 12. What is asked? Then what will be sec raised to 4 theta minus tan raised to 4 theta? See children, we have three identities. One is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Second identity is in terms of sec and tan. That is sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay, here the power both sec and tan is 4. But that doesn't matter because we know a raised to m whole raised to n is a raised to mn. Okay, a raised to mn. That means if we have power 4, you can rewrite this as sec square theta whole square. So that will be equal to sec raised to 4 theta. So instead of this, we have to find out this value. Okay, so I am going to write this as sec square theta whole square. So see children, multiply the powers, 2 2s are 4, that is sec raised to 4 theta. Minus, same way, tan raised to 4 theta can be written as tan square theta whole square. Okay, we can substitute here, see sec square theta minus tan square theta, identity 1. Okay, and before that, here a square, this is also of the form a square minus b square. The same problem, same of this first problem, okay, that is a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So, because of that identity, this can be written as sec square theta whole square. Here a is sec square theta. Okay, it's a whole square. Okay, so a square. Okay, and its base is sec square theta, that is a. This is a and this is b. Tan square theta is b. Okay, so a plus b, sec square theta plus b is tan square theta. So a plus b into a minus b, that is sec square theta minus tan square theta. Second factor. Because of the identity 2, sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Okay, so this is reduced into 1 and 1 into sec square theta plus tan square theta. Okay, so what is sec square theta plus tan square theta? That is given as 7 by 2. So sec raised to 4 theta minus tan raised to 4 theta is also equal to 7 by 12. Okay, the same identity, same step, okay, same result we are using for calculating this sec raised to 4 theta minus tan raised to 4 theta, and both are the same, that is 7 by 12. See the option? Yes, 7 by 12 is there. Okay, so A is the correct option. Okay, these two problems are of same kind. Okay, so do practice it. Okay, now we are moving to the third question. Now the third question, if cos A plus cos square A equal to 1, okay, what will be sin square A plus sin raised to 4A? We have given expression, equation in terms of cos, and we have to convert, we should get the answer in terms of sin. And we have the identity sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. That is the identity we are going to apply in order to get this answer. Okay, and we can start from what is given. That means if means given, cos A equal to, okay, that means if cos square A come to RHS, it will be, RHS is in the form 1 minus cos square A. Okay, that means I am keeping cos A alone in LHS by taking cos square A into RHS. 1 is already there in the RHS, so 1 minus cos square A. And because of first identity, 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. So we have got the value, or we can substitute for sin square A as cos A. Okay, and we have to, because we have to get sin square A plus sin raised to 4A. Okay, so I am going to write that value, that is sin square A. What we need to find out is what will be sin square A plus sin raised to 4A. So we have seen that in the first step, sin square A can be substituted as cos A. Okay, so cos A. Okay, instead of the first term in the RHS, I substituted this sin square A as cos A plus what will be sin raised to 4A? We can't write directly the value of sin raised to 4A, but if you know that result, that law of index, that is A raised to m whole raised to n, that result we already used in the previous questions. Okay, so the sin raised to 4 theta or sin raised to 4A can be written as sin square A whole square. And what is sin square A? Sin square is, we have seen that cos A. So here cos A no change, we already substituted, and sin square A is again cos A whole square. Cos A whole square is cos square A. Okay, so cos square A. So we have seen that sin square A plus sin raised to 4A is also equal to cos A plus cos square A. And what is that? Cos A plus cos square A is 1, that is given. So sin raised to sin square A plus sin raised to 4A is also equal to 1. Since the value of cos A plus cos square A is 1, so that expression also having the same value. Understood? This is very, very important question. Now the fourth question, if x is equal to A cos cube theta. See children, this is very important concept children. A, that is cos cube theta, is actually cos theta whole cube. Okay, we are not taking square or cube for the theta. Okay, so cos cube theta, y is equal to b sin cube theta, then x by a whole raised to 2 by 3, exponent is fraction, plus y by b whole raised to 2 by 3. We should get the value of this. What will be x by a whole raised to 2 by 3 plus y by b whole raised to 2 by 3. What is given? This is given. So in order to get x by a, the value, we should substitute it for this. We should get the answer for this. Okay, so x by a. So from this, what will be x by a? If I am taking a to this side, denominator, it will be in the denominator. RHS into LHS. Multiplication into division. Equal to cos cube theta. Okay, that means we can substitute this base x by a as cos cube theta, right? Yes. And from this, y equal to b sin cube theta. So y by b equal to sin cube theta. Understood? Now we need this value. What is that? We should get what will be x by a whole raised to 2 by 3 plus y by b whole raised to 2 by 3. Now we know what is x by a. X by a is nothing but cos cube theta. Cos cube theta is cos theta whole cube, right? Okay, that is cos theta whole cube, right? And what is its power? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 plus y by b. What is y by b? That is sin cube theta. Sin cube theta is sin theta whole cube. See children? Sin theta whole cube. Okay, that is sin cube theta. Understood? So here I am writing in terms of sin theta whole cube for y by b, and its power is 2 by 3. Okay, we should get its value. So into 2 by 3. Understood? See children, the power 3 into 2 by 3. That means 3 because they are connected by into. You can cancel. Okay, and here also 3 get cancelled. So what you will have now? Okay, this expression is reduced into, see, cos theta whole square, cos theta and its power is 2 plus sin theta whole square. This 2 is remaining in the power, okay. And we know what is cos theta whole square, that is equal to cos square theta, okay, and sin theta whole square is sin square theta. What is cos square theta plus sin square theta? Identity 1, that is equal to 1. See the option, 0, 1 is there, B. So this is all about this fourth question. This is also very important question, can expect for the board examination. Okay, now we are moving to another set. Now the fifth question, if sec theta equal to a square minus 1 by a square plus 1, then the value of sec theta plus tan theta. We have given the value of sin theta and we have to find out sec theta and tan theta. In sec theta, we should know that is reciprocal of cos theta, that means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay, if you know that adjacent side, you can easily get it. Because here sin theta is, what is sin theta, children? Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite side is the hypotenuse here, denominator. Okay, so 1 by cos theta is sec theta. So we should know what will be the adjacent side. And tan theta is, of course, there also we need adjacent side. So opposite side by adjacent side. That means we should get what is adjacent side. Okay, because here we know opposite and hypotenuse in a right triangle. Okay, you can select any of the acute angle. Okay, reference angle as that one. Okay, so if this is right triangle ABC, it's with respect to this angle theta, its opposite side. Okay, opposite side is a square minus 1 from the sin theta. Okay, numerator take opposite side, that is a square minus 1, and hypotenuse, that is the denominator. So hypotenuse is the longest side, the side opposite to 90 degree, that is a square plus 1. Sorry, yes, plus 1. A square plus 1. And how to get the third side? Using Pythagoras theorem. So using Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to AC square minus BC square. AC square is A square plus 1 whole square minus A square minus 1 whole square. Understand? If you need the square of the hypotenuse, you have to add these two sides, other two sides. If you get any one of these sides, you should subtract this side from the hypotenuse. That is what I did here. Okay, so we can apply a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, that identity. So it will be a square whole square, a raised to 4, okay, plus 1 minus 2a square minus a square, a raised to 4, plus 1 minus 1, because I opened this bracket, in outside the bracket the sign is negative. So actually the sign of the square term is plus 1. So minus, if you multiply, that will be minus 1, okay, plus 2a square, okay, plus 2a square minus 2ab, okay, and minus is there. If you open the bracket, that minus become plus, okay, so plus 2a square. Yes, children, a raised to 4 and minus a raised to 4 get cancelled. Okay, here 2a square, here it will be 2 plus 2a square, because a plus b whole square, right? So plus 2a square, here also plus 2a square, that will be 4a square. Here we have plus 1, here minus 1. Okay, that get cancelled. So square of this side, this perpendicular, we have seen that is AB square equal to 4A square. But we need AB, that is adjacent side. That means square root of 4A square. 4 is a square number. Okay, root AB is root A into root B. That is root 4, that is 2. Root of A square is A itself, that is 2A. That means this side is 2A. If you know all the three sides of a right triangle, whatever the ratio, 6 ratios we have, you can easily get it, no? So we need sec theta plus tan theta. This is equal to, okay, that is sec theta is opposite side by adjacent side, right? That is reciprocal of cos theta, that is opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, so that is a square plus 1 by 2a. And here plus. What is tan theta? Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, what is opposite side? A square with respect to this angle, reference angle, by 2a. We have two terms with the same denominator, that is like terms. You can add the numerators, that is a square plus 1 plus a square minus 1 divided by 2a. And from the numerator you can simplify, plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled and a square plus a square become 2a square, and in the denominator 2a 2 get cancelled. A square and a get cancelled from the denominator. The only number that is the quantity is a, that you can see as D option. Option D is a. Okay, this is the way you should get it. Okay, so get all the three sides applying the Pythagoras theorem and see that what all the ratios are asked. Accordingly, you can substitute. Here it is asked in terms of sec theta plus tan theta. Sometimes it may be cot theta plus cosec theta, whatever it is. Okay, we should know all the three sides so that whatever it is asking, you can substitute. So this is all about this fifth question. Okay, now the sixth question. If x into tan 45 into cos 60, that is we should know the values of tan 45 and cos 45, and that is given as equal to sin 60 into cot 60. This LHS is equal to this RHS. If so, what will be the value of x? Here we have x into tan 45 into cos 60. Okay, as usual we have four options. We can find out the value of x by substituting tan 45 and cos 45 as its respective values, that is x into, x is the unknown. Okay, we have to keep as it is, and tan 45 is 1. Children learn the values, specific angles, that is acute angles. Okay, definitely you can expect question from that section. Tan 45 is 1. And what is cos 60? Cos 60 is sin 30. Okay, we know the first row, sin 0, 0, sin 30, 1 by 2. What is sin 45? 1 by root 2. Sin 60, root 3 by 2, and sin 90 is 1. Take its reverse order in order to get the cos value. Okay, so sin 60 and cos 30 both having the same value. Okay, so cos 60 is 1 by 2 equal to, what is sin 60? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 and cot 60. Okay, we know that tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3 and tan 60 is root 3. If so, tan 30 is root 3, understood, and cot 60 is 1 by root 3. Okay, so 1 by root 3. So root 3 and 1 by root 3, that two root 3's are get cancelled because they are connected by into, so that you can reduce. So the RHS is now 1 by 2. Here x into 1 by 2 is x by 2. So what will be x? X is equal to, okay, 1 by 2 into 2. You can take, or directly you can cancel this 1 by 2 so that x is equal to 1. See the option? Yes, first option, 1 is there. So learn the formula, that values, that is acute angle value, that we have learned only the 5 values of sin theta, so that you can fill all the values of 6 trigonometric ratios, that is 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, this is the 6th question. Now we are moving to the another set. Now the 7th question, if sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta equal to 5 by 4. Okay, then we have to find the value of tan square theta plus 1 divided by tan square theta minus 1. Okay, what is given, children? That is sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta is asked. And we should get the answer in terms of tan. How can we introduce tan here? Okay, in this equation, because here in terms of LHS is in terms of sin theta and cos theta, but we need an answer in terms of tan square theta. By quotient relation, children, tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. That means if you divide both the numerator and the denominator with the cos theta, that means sin theta plus cos theta whole by cos theta. See children, and the same way denominator we can divide with the cos theta. That means sin theta plus cos theta doesn't affect its value. If you, that is equivalent fraction, that idea. If you multiply or divide with the same number, both the numerator and the denominator with the cos theta, this value will be same. We got the equivalent expression of this LHS as in this form. So that you can equate this is also equal to 5 by 4, that is given. Okay, this is equal to this because we just divided numerator and denominator with the same ratio, that is cos theta. Okay, so now in the numerator 2 is a fraction, denominator is also a fraction. So two terms. So sin theta we can split sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta. See children, so this is equal to sin, we are going to split this cos theta for both the terms. So sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin cos theta. Okay, we are dividing both the terms with the cos theta. Okay, divided by, in the denominator also you can split this cos theta for two terms in the numerator, that is sin theta by cos theta minus cos theta by cos theta. See children, here see we can introduce now that instead of sin theta by cos theta as tan theta, that is our aim. Okay, we should get the answer in terms of tan theta. Okay, so tan theta plus 1, sin cos theta by cos theta is 1, divided by, here also this is reduced into by quotient relation, tan theta minus 1. And that can be, see, instead of this we got this. After splitting both the term, dividing with the cos theta, we have now this relation. So this is also equated to 5 by 4, that is given as 5 by 4. Okay, so now we have that sin theta and cos theta reduced into in terms of tan theta only. Okay, up to this please don't stop children. We should get in terms of tan square theta. Okay, so for that, see children, here you can cross multiply. Understood? That means 4 into this way. Tan theta plus 1 equated to 5 times tan theta minus tan theta minus 1. This, I hope this step is clear. Okay, that is 4 into numerator equal to 5 into denominator. Now you can open the bracket, that is 4 into tan theta is 4 tan theta and 4 into 1 is 4 equal to 5 into tan theta, 5 tan theta and 5 into minus 1 minus 5. Okay, and 4 tan theta when come to RHS, okay, minus tan theta. Okay, that means here you will have minus 4 tan theta and here plus 5 tan theta, that is simply tan theta, and minus 5 from RHS to LHS plus 5, here a constant 4 is there, so 4 plus 5 together 9. That means we have now tan theta equal to 9. Idea is clear children? Okay, but what we need to find out, tan square theta plus 1 divided by tan square theta minus 1, and we have tan theta as 9, so what will be tan square theta? 9 square, that is 81 plus 1 this one. Okay, if tan theta equal to 9, tan square theta is 9 square, right? So tan square theta minus 1. Understood? Okay, numerical value. And 82, 81 plus 1, 82 divided by 81 minus 1 is 80. And both are even numbers, you can reduce with 2. So 41 by 40, see the option? 41 by 40, C option. It's very, very important question. Okay, see children, up to this, you please don't stop here. Okay, you just cross multiply because we got the equivalent expression of this sin theta plus cos theta in terms of tan theta. After getting this step, just cross multiply and hence you will get the value of tan theta as 9 by applying the distributive property. And if tan theta equal to 9, tan square theta equal to 9 square is 80. Simple. Now this next question, 8th problem. Sin x plus cosec x equal to 2. What we have to find out? Then sin raised to 19x plus cosec raised to 20x. What will be the value of sin raised to 19x plus cosec raised to 20x? This is also very important question. Okay, for that what is given? Sin x plus cosec x. What is the relation between sin and cosec, children? Reciprocal of sin is cosec. Okay, so from this sin x plus 1 by sin x, cosec x is 1 by sin x equal to 2. Okay, see cross multiplication because they are connected by plus, we can't cancel. Okay, if they are connected by into, that case only we can cancel. So in this case you can just cross multiply. So sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta plus 1 divided by 1 into sin theta equal to 2. I just have written this, the reciprocal of cosec theta as 1 by sin theta and cross multiply. Now we have this step. And the next step I am going to take this sin theta into RHS. Okay, so sin square theta plus 1 equal to 2 into sin theta. 2 into sin theta. See children, sin square theta. If you take this 2 sin theta into LHS, see that means RHS can be equated to 0. So sin square theta plus 1 minus 2 sin theta equal to 0. If you take that from the LHS, RHS into LHS, that is equal to 0. See, this is the expanded form of which identity? See, if we are taking place of A as sin theta, A square plus B square, 1 square is 1 itself. Okay, minus 2 into A, A is sin theta into B is 1. That is, this is expanded form of sin theta minus 1 whole square equal to 0, RHS 0. Understood? If sin theta minus 1 whole square equal to 0, if x square equal to 0, x equal to 0, so its base, that is sin theta minus 1 equal to 0 or sin theta equal to 1 minus 1 come to RHS. That is, we have seen that now sin theta equal to 1. This is our aim. Okay, we started from this, okay, and we have applied this cross multiplication identity. Now we know that sin theta equal to 1. What is asked? Sin raised to 19x. Sin raised to 19x, so many times I am telling this, that is sin x whole raised to 19. What is sin x or sin theta? Okay, here it is in place of theta x, right? X takes the theta, that is the acute angle. So sin x is equal to 1. Okay, that means sin x whole raised to 19, that is 1 raised to 19. Okay, 1 raised to 19 plus, what is cosec raised to x? That is 1 by sin x, right? Okay, that is 1, this cosec x is equal to, if sin x is equal to 1, 1 by sin x is cosec x, right? So cosec x also equal to 1. Understood? 1 by 1, reciprocal 1. If you are taking reciprocal, you have to take the reciprocal of 1. 1 and the minus 1, the reciprocal is the same number itself. Okay, so 1 by 1, so cosec x is equal to 1. So cosec x whole raised to 20, that is 1 raised to 20. 1 raised to 20. So this is equal to, what is 1 raised to 19? That is 1 itself. 1 raised to 20, 1 into 1 into 20 times, 1 into 1 into 19 times, 1 itself. Okay, that is 1, that is 2. So the value of sin raised to 19x plus cosec raised to 20x is equal to 2. Yes, here the last option. It's very, very important question. Okay, so from this, children, take the reciprocal of cosec theta. Okay, and you will get here, instead of x, I just unknowingly I wrote theta. Okay, both are the same. Okay, here also x. So here 2x. So sin square x, here also x. That means sin theta, instead of sin theta, sin x minus 1 equal to 1. Sin x is equal to 1. That means 1 raised to 19x. 1 raised to 19 is also 1. Okay. So 1 raised to 20 also 1. That means this value will be 2. 1 plus 2 is 2. It's very, very important question. Now the 9th question. If tan alpha plus cot alpha, if tan alpha plus cot alpha equal to 2, what will be tan raised to 20 of same type? Okay, tan raised to 20 alpha plus cot raised to 20 alpha. See children, how this problem can be solved? See, tan alpha means the acute angle alpha, and here also along with the cot, the acute angle is alpha. Okay, here also as usual you can tan alpha 1 by tan alpha, tan square alpha. In that way you can write, and you can easily get it, tan alpha minus 1 equal to, what is it, 0. So tan alpha equal to 1. Or in that, or if you can think of the same value, same acute angle, tan 45 and tan 45 equal to 2, that is 1 plus 1, that is alpha equal to 45 degree. In that case also you will be getting alpha equal to 1. Or you can apply the same result. What I meant is, if you keep tan alpha plus 1 by tan alpha, here the reciprocal of sin is cosec. Reciprocal of tan alpha is 1 by cot alpha. Okay, 1 by tan alpha is cot alpha. This is equal to 2. Same step, tan square alpha plus, okay, tan square alpha plus 1 divided by tan alpha equal to 2. So 2 tan alpha, 2 tan alpha. Now I am taking this 2 tan alpha into this side. So this will be the expanded form of tan alpha minus 1 whole square. Tan alpha minus 1 whole square equal to 0. That means tan alpha minus 1 equal to 0, or tan alpha equal to 1. We got the value of tan alpha equal to 1. If so, 1 by tan alpha, that is cot alpha, is also 1. Okay, so what we need? We need tan raised to 20 alpha. Ivadeyanu important. That is tan raised to 20 alpha is tan alpha whole raised to 20. Tan alpha whole raised to 20 plus cot alpha whole raised to 20 equal to, we know tan alpha, its value is 1. 1 raised to 20 plus cot alpha is also 1. So 1 raised to 20. 1 raised to 20, if the power of 20, that is base is 1, 1 into 1 into 2, 20 times 1 itself. So 1, and the other 1 raised to 20 also 1. So 2. The here C, option C is the correct option. Understood? It's very, very important questions. See children, we have selected, I have selected very important question for you. Okay, so do practice it. So this is all about the MCQ question from the lesson trigonometry. So please solve all the problems, and may God bless you, and all the very best for the coming examination. So thank you children, thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Thank you all.